Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to stop any application on our phone from using our microphone. So to turn off our microphone for every application available, we have to go to the settings. Then under security and privacy, we have privacy options here. And microphone access is here. Allow apps to use the microphone if they have the appropriate permissions. So, by unchecking this little box, as you can see from this little warning, the apps will be blocked from using the microphone, even the apps that were originally allowed to use it. Turn off, and now no app has a permission to use our microphone at all. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.